Welcome back, everyone. I want to encourage you with this word from the Lord today. Whether you've been serving the Lord for a long time or for a short period of time, the Lord is saying that that door will appear. Whatever it is that you have been giving instructions from the Lord to do, yet you don't see how it's going to happen, God is saying that that door will appear. Now, this is what I saw in the spirit. I had a vision of a Roomba vacuum cleaner. And then all of a sudden, right after that is when I saw a door literally appear out of nowhere. And God is saying that He has been cleaning up some places in your heart and in your life. And that's what's preparing the way. That's what's making the way for that door to appear, seemingly out of nowhere. It seems like it's going to appear out of nowhere because right now where you stand, and then it looks like there's no possibilities. But God, thank you, Lord. God always is working behind the scenes. He's always working behind the scenes. So there are things that He has strategically put in place for you, but it will appear after that cleaning up process has been done in your heart. Now, of course, we understand that we're always being refined. We're always being prepared even for the next thing. So even after you step into this opportunity, then God will prepare you for the next opportunity. But the Lord wants you to understand that the door will appear. The opportunity that He has for you, it will show itself to you. It will show itself to you. This isn't something that you have to try to make happen. So make sure that you're not doing that. You want to be in the divine flow. You want to be in God's perfect timing and in His will so that that door will appear in the perfect timing that it is supposed to. And again, let me reiterate, whether you've been serving the Lord for a long time or you have just become a new believer, the Lord is saying that this word is for you. So if that's something that you've been struggling with, like, well, Lord, I just became a Christian. I just started to know you. I don't know if this is something that you would have for me right now. God is saying that He loves you and that that door will appear for you as well. So make sure that you continue to stay tuned into the Lord, continue to press in and press through to His presence so that you can be perfectly aligned and cleaned up and cleaned out of all of these things that He is choosing to clean you out of right now in this specific season so that that door will appear. All right. I love you, family. Be blessed, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.